What's going on, everybody? This is John Hildebrand here with Hildy Homes. I'm at my brand new place in Old Town Scottsdale. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square feet with a heated pool. Let's go check it out. Let's kick off this house tour. Right when you walk in from the main door, you got a large living room, huge L-shaped couch, and of course a large smart TV. One thing I love about this space, you guys, is very open. We have a large little game room in the back with some pool table. Hey guys, what's going on? Oh, hey, nice shot. Welcome. All right, let's go check out the kitchen. One very important part about an Airbnb attracting families is the kitchen. We always go overboard in the kitchen. Make sure you get all the appliances. This is a very open, large kitchen concept. We have a large island. Always provide coffee and coffee machine, all the pots and pans, bowls, that kind of stuff. We have a dishwasher, a very large stovetop, microwave, and an oven. And of course, you gotta have a refrigerator. But if you guys are struggling on your kitchen and what to get, like toaster, blender, all that stuff, I have a shopping list down below. It gives you a full detail of everything I use in my kitchens. So check that out, make your life a lot easier. But then this kitchen flows straight into this room, which is kind of like the dining room, I guess. It's where everyone can sit. This place is gonna sleep 8 to 10 guests, so plenty of room for people to hang out. To be honest, I think this is where everyone's gonna hang out. The pool's right out the back. Now, right outside the kitchen and right out by the pool area, we have a full bathroom. Everything in here is completely custom, quartz countertops, and we have a stand-up shower. And the best part is, it leads us right into bedroom number 1. Let's go check it out. Right outside this bathroom, you got bedroom number 1, where we went with a large queen-size bed. We have a large closet. We also added some chairs so that way you can come and kind of hang out in this room. The window goes out to the pool, and then we have a large dresser, which is good for your folding your clothes and whatnot. All right, now let's go check out bedroom number 2, which we designed for the kids and family. This Airbnb listing, we're really going after families with kids. So we did 2 twin beds. We have a nice cool little teepee for the super young one. And then we always like to have a little bit of games. And then we also have a large closet. Everything in here has been completely remodeled, as you can see. All right, leaving bedroom number 2, we jump into the Jack and Jill bathroom. Very open and bright. We have a large countertop, 2 sinks for his and hers. And then we have a large bathtub, fully custom shower. And also, you guys, as a host, you're trying to get those 5-star reviews, we like to provide body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and always recommend a huge shower head. Now let's go check out bedroom number 3. This room is set up for 2 full-size beds. We did a different color blue to kind of pop in the photos. And then we have 2 large closets. Now let's go over and check out the master bedroom, which is down the hall. It's back in this hallway, which is awesome. Personal space, nice and quiet. Oh, what the heck? Oh, hey, what's up? I didn't realize you're doing a little tour today. I'm just enjoying this very large, king-size, cozy bed. This is the master suite. We have a 52-inch smart TV, and then it leads into the bathroom. Again, full custom shower, awesome farm-style sink, lots of great natural light. You guys, it's all about the backyard. We have a very large heated pool, great seating with a fireplace, a barbecue, nice little grass area, a lot of privacy. Who doesn't want to hang out here? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like my channel, like, subscribe. Boom! All right, if you guys want to be the first to book this home, go to the link below, hildyhomes.com. It's launched now.